Want clearer entries and exits with momentum on your side? The candle stop envelopes. Momentum strategy helps you ride strong moves and avoid fake signals, even in choppy markets. This strategy uses candle stop envelopes, a dynamic envelope around price, and momentum confirmation to enter trades with higher probability. Candle stop envelopes show where price is stretched or reversing. Momentum direction confirms whether the move is strong enough to take. Buy rules. 1. Price is above the moving average trend filter. Trend is up. 2. Price touches or dips into the lower envelope band. Potential pullback zone. 3rd. A bullish momentum candle forms back above the lower envelope band. 4th. Enter buy as the momentum candle confirms strength. Sell rules. 1. Price is below the moving average trend filter. Trend is down. 2. Price touches or spikes into the upper envelope band. Potential pullback zone. 3. A bearish momentum candle forms back below the upper envelope band. 4. Enter sell once that momentum candle shows strength. Put your stop loss just outside the envelope band, below it for buys, above it for sells, to protect against sudden spikes. And only enter after the momentum candle closes. It avoids false breakouts. Ready for smoother entries backed by momentum? Try the candle stop envelopes momentum strategy today. Grab free indicators and templates at forexmt4indicators.com. Trade smarter, not harder.